What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing why I plug my truck in, and I'm going to be maybe going up to my cabin this weekend. Here's the temperature for lows. It's pretty cold, not extremely cold, but it's getting there. And this is my temperatures in my area, general area. So cold, but not extremely cold. So I always plug my truck in. I always do a good job with that. I try to anyway. Just a block heater, just because of the fact that it's cold out and I don't want to ruin anything. And I know the fuel can gel up, and this is where I have this. I supplement this into winterized diesel fluid or fuel, and I keep my DEF fluid inside, so that kind of helps as well. But see how well it starts up. This is a Chevrolet 3500 HD Duramax 2015 work truck package. So let's take a look under the hood. You kind of feel the heat actually, so that's a good sign. I hope it starts up good. We'll see. Yeah, it's important to plug your truck in, especially when it gets below freezing. I mean below zero. Let's give it a shot. Yeah, it's pretty dirty in here, but hey, it's a work truck. Starts right up. Nice. A lot easier than not having it plugged in. It's going into high idle. Going into high idle right now. Let's take a look. Got a bunch of smokes coming out of the exhaust pretty soon. Well, that started up nice. I mean, I know it's not that cold out right now. It's like 12 degrees, but still, it's cold enough to where I need to plug it in. Great truck. Had it for about a year now. I used to have a 2005 or 2006 Chevy Duramax with 400,000 miles on it when I got rid of it. But yeah, it's a great work truck with big tires on it. Usually put my welded generator right back there and then have everything set up pretty good. But I really enjoy this truck, and I recommend getting a Duramax. That's just my personal opinion. As far as the diesels go, that's what I prefer over like the Cummins or the Power Stroke. Ooh, it smells like diesel. Yum. I'd like to get a straight pipe, but now the EPA's, cracking down on that kind of stuff, and they're really strict in my area about that kind of stuff. So it's kind of risky, but I'd like to do that eventually. But we'll see how that goes. Thanks for watching. Started up real nice.